Right, I'm not even joking here, but this is getting ridiculous now. So obviously, if you follow me on Instagram or you're a BD member, you will know I have been trading 7 days a week for the past 2 months. I've been trading Bitcoin on the weekends, right? And every single weekend, I do phenomenal, like insane. And I always say, yeah, I've had the best weekend ever on Bitcoin. And then the following week happens. And I mean, I've probably had some of my best trading days ever on the weekend on Bitcoin. And I mean, if you would have asked me, Jamie, I'd be trading the binary destroyer on my mobile phone on the weekend when everything's closed apart from Bitcoin. And I'm having my best days ever. So let me show you my results, but I want to show you the setups in a minute, right? So, right, look at this trading account. Hold on. Where is it? Look at that, 18,000, right? Okay, this is a small trading account that I started, okay? 18,000, right? Look at the results today. 3,000. Bitcoin. Look, where's Bitcoin? Yeah, look, Bitcoin. Look. 3,000, right? And I started the account a few weeks ago. But if I just show you the, hold on, what we at, the 11th. So let me show you the 10th. There we go there, right? 7 grand. Look, that is today and last night. 7 grand, look, custom, you see? All the trades. Right? All the trades. And I swear to God, that is one of the account, right? Let me show you my, my other account, right? So this is my EA, right? As you can see, that's my EA. That's currently off. Look at the trades today. 26 quid, all blues, right? Let me show you my live account. The large one, yeah? 156. Hold on. I'll show you, here you go. Let me show you on here, right? So you can see. You can see this screen, can't you? Here we go here, right? So look at this, right? Look at this here. Go on, hold on. Screen mirroring done. You'll see it in a minute. Right, hold on, and we'll go over the trades. Look at that, right? Hold on, 168. Look at the trades history. So I've took no trades today because I was trading the other account, the smaller account, right? Look at the week, 34 grand, right? If I go to custom here and I'll type in, what we're at the 12th. Let's go to the, Saturday would be 9th. Watch this, you ready? 9th. Look how much money I made Saturday and Sunday. 28 grand. All the trades I took on Bitcoin, look, over the weekend. It is getting ridiculous. I bet you've never heard anyone say this, but I need to calm down. Because at the minute, I am seriously like addicted to trading, right? And it is not healthy for me. I'm going to bed giving myself headaches, right? And even my own girlfriend says, Jamie, like, you need to get off that phone. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm in a bit of a picky situation, right? Because let me explain to you, right? I want to show you transparency and I want to show you honesty, right? Currently at the minute, I need to redo my financial situation because I've kind of outgrown living in the UK. So in the UK, I pay extreme levels of tax for income. So if I've just took a 400 grand account to 150 grand, let's say 100 grand, right? If I withdraw that 100 grand into my UK bank account, I will get taxed 60%, so £60,000. And it's easy to say, oh yeah, but it's all right because you've got 40 grand left. Okay, but I've got 40 grand in my bank account that I don't necessarily have got anything to spend it on. I'm just going to be paying loads of tax for no reason at all. And even if I don't withdraw the money and I leave it in a trading account, I'm still have to declare that as, you know, an asset, right? It's still a taxable allowance because it's money sitting in a trading account, which is technically profits, right? And yeah, it's a very difficult because I'll be honest with you, right? I made a lot of money trading binary options, right? And back then, I would say I've been very lucky with the stuff that I've invested in. I have around 12 to 14 income streams, and most of it is from investments, right? ISAs, savings, mutual funds, hedge funds, loan notes, other businesses, etc., right? And that's what I live off, the interest in the bank. And I've been very lucky, to be fair, because I made a lot of money in Bitcoin when I bought it at 9 and 12. It's now at 70,000. I made a lot of money during COVID when house prices went up. You know, I sold all my properties during COVID, which was good. And at the minute, we're getting a good rate on the interest with money in the bank, which is good, right? So I've been lucky. So the money I make from trading, I actually don't live off it, right? I just invest it and then live off the interest, the monthly interest or quarterly interest payments, right? That's how I live. That's how I live, right? But it's getting to a point now where it's not cost effective to be doing this in the UK, because it's all good, right? When people go, oh yeah, well, why don't you just go take, you know, £100 to £1 million? That's fine. But what am I going to do with £1 million? I'm going to have to pay £600,000 of tax on that. I don't want to pay that amount of money on tax. I'm sorry, I don't. And you can say, oh yeah, but you got 400 grand left. Yeah, okay. But the point is, I would like to have the money to myself, right? It doesn't make sense at the minute to, you know, have that kind of money just sitting there. So I'm going to kind of restructure everything at the minute. I didn't think I'd be having this conversation with you, but it's good. Because I tell you something, right? You know, when you see these trading gurus on YouTube and it's like, yeah, look at me, you know, I've made like hundreds of thousands of pounds today. And then they show you their trading account number and their name, you know, and it's their name. I tell you right now, that's a lie. 1,000,000%. You would not put that kind of money in your own personal name. Either you're extremely stupid or you're just an idiot, because you wouldn't have that sort of money in your own name. It's not tax efficient and it's also not safe, right? Most of my trading accounts are in company names or they're in certain, you know, holding companies, etc., right? It's more tax efficient, it's more safer. Most of the accounts are going to be in company names, which means they're classed as professional accounts or institutional accounts, and then you would trade them, and then obviously, you know, you can do what you do normally with a business, offset expenses, etc., right? So I'm kind of probably going down more the route of moving my businesses to perhaps to Dubai and then trading directly from there, because at the minute it doesn't make sense to like go from 400 quid to whatever, 160, 200 grand, and then have to declare that and pay half of it to the tax man. It doesn't make sense, right? I don't like paying tax. I don't know why I had that conversation with you, but yeah, like I said, I'm going to restructure everything at the minute because I didn't think I'd be making this amount of money at like this towards Christmas. I don't know what it is, right? I just don't know what it is. But let me show you the setups, right? Okay, so before I show you the setups that I took on Bitcoin at the weekend, I want to explain to you my thought process when I take a trade, because I know what you're thinking. Jamie, I want to trade like you. What is your secret sauce, right? And if you actually look at my core message on what I teach people, it's nothing to do with the binary destroyer, right? I'm not like, you need the binary destroyer because this is going to make you loads of money. I've always said it's all in here. Keep trading simple. Don't listen to anybody else, and chart time is everything, right? The more you spend on the charts, the more you're in trades, the better you will become, right? And I always work like that, right? I work in probability, I work in numbers, I try and find the source of the information. What I mean by that is everybody in trading, from the traders, the mentors, the teachers, the gurus on whatever, YouTube, Instagram, they always work in emotion, right? And I like to work off facts. So if I was to look at this candlestick like, I don't know, let's just make it up here, right? This little candlestick here. If somebody said that is a manipulation candle, that's based on emotion, because I would say, where's the evidence that verifies that? Who manipulated it? What bank? What trader? What institution? Show me the evidence that that is a manipulation candle. If you can't, it's based on emotion. That's you just saying it's a manipulation candle. It's like support and resistance. When somebody says support and resistance doesn't work, right? That's based on emotion. Then you'll go find someone that trades money with support and resistance. There's the evidence. That's the fact that proves that you can make money with support and resistance. So when I'm trading, right, I always try and look at my trading in that logical way. Okay, look at the numbers, look at the probability. What's the best way of me, or the simplest way of me making money with the, with trading, right? With the buy and short. So let's go over this setup here, right? Now, everybody is going to sit there, and this is what I say, right? Everyone's going to sit there and say on a YouTube video, wow, look at this trade with my indicator. Amazing. You would have got like a 1 to 3. You would have made so much money. Anybody can do that. Anybody, right? But look at the numbers behind this. I have got 30 different currency pairs, 10 different time frames. What are the odds that I will be on this chart? Let me rephrase that. 30 currency pairs, 10 time frames, 24 hours a day. What are the odds that I will be on the charts on this time frame, on this currency pair at this time and be able to take this trade? The probability is very slim. Now, these setups happen all the time, right? Whatever, right? You'll find them all over, right? But what's the probability of me getting this perfect setup every time I take a trade? Every time. Very slim. So the way I trade, and this is the trick, right? Anybody can win on a good day. Anybody can take this trade right here and win. That's not consistency, right? Because my mum could do that, right? Consistency comes from knowing when not to take a good trade or when to get out of a good trade. So the way I trade is I want to take profit immediately, right? Bang. The only trades that I want to take are the winning trades, and when I'm in a winning trade, I want to win it. Above all, that's consistency. I don't care what happens afterwards or what could have happened. If I made profit, that is it. Because let me tell you something psychologically, right? What do most people think about? The things that they do have or the things they don't have? They worry about the things they don't have, right? What do you think people worry about the most? The things they can control or the things they can't control? The things they can't control. What do you think people worry about the most? The past, the present, the future. Most people worry about the past and some people worry about the future. It's very rarely people actually live in the moment, right? So most people are worrying about the things they don't have. They worry about the things they can't control, and they are mostly just living in the past or worrying about the future. And that's the way you do not want to trade, okay? So we can't control the market, but what we can control is what we do when we're in the market, when we're in a trade, right? So when I take this trade, right, I'll just go to here, right? My main priority is to get that stop loss out of the way. Now, I'm not saying don't use a stop loss, right? But I don't want to, I need to make money here. All you lot care so much about the home run trades, a 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Look at these amazing trades. What are the odds? Are you going to be able to hit amazing trades every single time? You're not. You are going to make mistakes. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to miss setups. I'm going to take some trades. The trades I took today, which you'll watch on Thursday's video, I closed London Open early. I just want to show you here. You'll see these trades because I filmed it, right? This was London Open early on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this one. Where is it? Look at this one, right? Look at my London Open trade this morning. Look. How annoying. Am I bothered? No. Because my job was to take a winning trade. I did that. I made money. Done. Moved on, right? Let's go over London Open because that's easy, right? So when I'm in this trade, my job is to get that stop loss out of the way above anything else, right? I actually had a conversation with a very successful trader a few weeks ago, right? And he makes £30,000 a month. Phenomenal trader, phenomenal. And he said, Jamie, I want to trade like you. I want to consistently win trades. I don't want to win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. I want to be like you. I want to win, 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 loss, win, win, loss, win, 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 win. And I said, okay, we'll do what I do, right? The first thing you need to do is learn to take winning trades. Don't focus so much on the home runs. Most successful traders won't take profits because they will manage the trade, right? So when I take this trade here, oh, where's my alert gone? It's going to appear any minute now. It's just loading up here. Hold on here. There we go there, right? So when I take this trade, my first priority is to get that stop loss out of the way, and then I want to target the bottom of the zone. That's my first target. I'm not bothered about the pips. I'm not bothered about the risk reward. I'm not bothered about anything like that. This is my job. I'm in a trade now. I need to worry about what I can control, what I can't control. What happens here? I have no control over it. It could go to a 1 to 5 for as I care. I don't know. I don't know if this trade is going to win, lose, go flying, melt, drop, sideways. I don't know, right? But I can control what I can do, right? So I target the bottom of the zone. Now I know there's one thing guaranteed. Stop. There's one thing guaranteed right now. And that is, if I close this trade off, I'm in profit. I can control that. So I'm going to take profit on this trade, right? Or you can move your stop loss down, okay? Lock in those profits and then go target a 1 to 2. Now, there will be some people out there that says, yeah, but if you take partials all the way down, it's a negative risk reward. You could lose the next trade, which means you lose more. You're worrying about the future. You're worrying about the past. Let's worry about the trade we're in now. You don't know. The next 10 trades you take after this could be 100%. You could win the next 10 trades back to back. If you get very good at your strategy and you get very confident at it, you will naturally just take winning trades all of the time, right? Confidence, that is all. If you worry too much about the next trade, well, what happens if the next trade's a loss? I've got to get more on this trade to cover the loss. No, you are trying to control something which can't be controlled. You are in a trade. Let's focus on this trade and let's make money on it. What happens on the next trade? Let's worry about that when we're in it. But right now, we're not in that trade. We're in the trade now. And that's my mindset. I'm in a trade, bang, next trade, bang, next trade, bang. Consistently winning trade after trade after trade after trade. And everyone's like, how? What, you know, like I'm trying to get like what big, you know, big take profits. Here, when I look back here, right, how did I know that that was going to drop? Where's the trade there? How did I know that that was going to go all the way down there? I didn't, because the opposite could have happened. It could have reversed and stopped me out. And then now you're frustrated because you couldn't control that. But what you could have controlled was the fact you were in a trade and it was in profit. So when you can, take profit off the table. That's the secret key. Or move stop losses to break even. If you get stopped out at break even or you only make 5 pips or 10 pips, oh well. Doesn't matter. Next trade, move on. Right? So let's go over my trades that I took on Bitcoin, right? And you'll actually see my trades that I took on Bitcoin were actually quite terrible. So if I just go to the Telegram group, right? I was actually, and I want to show you, right, because you'll actually see what I was doing at the time, which justifies why I missed a lot of setups. So let me see here. There's a lot of members. So here we go here, right? So I was in some trades. Let me show you here. Here we go here, right? So I'm at a pantomime in London celebrating some you know, an anniversary. And at the same time, I'm still taking trades. Look, Bitcoins, I'm still making money, right? It's ridiculous, flying now. It's unbelievable. Literally, look, and other members took it as well. This was Saturday night, right? So there was a lot of trades that I missed. So if we go to Bitcoin on the weekend, right? So let's go to, we're going to go to Friday night. No, we're going to go to Saturday morning, right? I just want to show you the trades on Saturday morning because they were really good, but unfortunately I missed them because I was on the 5 minute. So let me show you the trades on, there you go there, right? So this was Saturday, okay? Look at this one, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And this was a beautiful sell. But let's break down this trade here. Now, I actually didn't take this. I was on the 5 minutes. So I'll explain to you the trade that I took. But look at this one here, right? Price comes down. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, stop. So this is that trade appeared here, right? As you can see, we're going down, downtrend, pullback structure. Downtrend, lower low, lower high, right? Now, again, what can I control in this situation? What I do, my stop loss and take profit. I don't know if the trade is going to win, right? I don't know, right? So I put my stop loss. I'll probably put it above the high just there, okay? And I go target. Ideally, I need to target the bottom of the zone, but let's just stick a target right there, right? There you go, okay? I'm going to watch the trade, okay? Price pulls up, nice. Okay, I had my stop loss out the way, and then boom, price comes down, and we win the trade. We get that, right? Eventually. Hold on. There we go there. And eventually it comes down. Done, right? There we go there. Beautiful trade, okay? And then you will notice if we go to Sunday, now there's a lot of buys. Look at this. So that's not Monday. Here we go. This is Sunday here, right? So look at all these buys here. Buy. This was all of Sundays. And I actually missed all these because I tell you the reason why. Okay, let me mute the Telegram group because it's going to do my head in. It's literally New York open at the minute and everyone's trading. So if we go to the 5 minutes, I'll tell you what I did, right? Where is it? Sunday. Okay, so I took this trade here, okay? I took this trade here. So same again, okay, this was a messy trade. This was a very messy trade. But you see, this is what made consistency, right? This is what builds consistency. I made money on this trade. I made money, right? And anyone would like, how'd you make money on this trade? It lost. Well, it didn't lose. I made money, right? So there we go there, right? There's my entry point. You see exactly where that triangle appeared? That's exactly where I entered, right? So as price comes up like this there, right? I'm literally there. I'm like 80% to take profit. So I'm closing off as much as I can off this trade. I'm not closing the entire trade off. I'm just closing off the majority of the trade, right? Because I don't know if it's going to stop me out or go flying, right? I can only control what I can control, and that is the profits, right? So what happened was I managed to get some profits there, and then it went sideways for ages, like this here, went back into profit, and then it eventually stopped me out, still going sideways, okay? Because this was the 5 minute time frame. This was all of Saturday, Look, from 12 o'clock until 3 o'clock, I'm still in this trade. And then eventually it stopped me out. So what I did was, if you watched my last video when I talked about a compound method, what I decided to do was say, right, okay, I'm going to mark up the previous low, which is going to be there. And I'm going to buy from this level to get my loss back. You ready? Bang. There's my buy again. And I got my profit back. Done. So I actually made money on this one. And then we took a sell, right? So we got a sell from this structure here. Again, don't even know why we took this sell. This literally made no rules. This didn't make any sense, this trade. But it was 8 o'clock. Yeah, it was about 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. And majority of the BD members were drunk. I was drunk. And we randomly decided to take this sell. And we made money, right? We made money on it. This sell there, right, that 5 minutes at 7:40 was, back to the Telegram group, I'll show you, was, hold on here, Mogwai reversal, was this sell just, where it was, here. So we all took the sell, look, there's the buy, there's the sell, yeah? So we all took it. I wonder if I can show you the profits. Yeah, so this was buy. No, that was the buy. That was the sell. Here we go here. You ready? Look, we all took the sell. That was it there, right? That was the sell. 11 grand. And then let me show you another trade, right? Look at this one. Look at this one. This is all Bitcoin. You ready? Look at that one. 22 grand. Do you know what I did on this one? I've got to remember now. That was Sunday. And it was... Oh, that was a Mogwai. Hold on here. Where's my charts gone? Let me go back to Bitcoin. Here we go here, right? So this trade here, see that one there? I took this morning. You'll watch this on the webinar, right? I took that one. You see that buy just there? And I took this one on the webinar with the BD members, right? So I took both of these. I was basically just taking, you'll probably find it on here. Yeah, look, you see the alert? So I took this one there. There's another sell up there, and I took this one there. So that sell, right, was actually this one just there. Somewhere, no, it was around here, yeah? round here. So this is actually a Mogwai sell. This was actually a Mogwai sell. So I won't go into too much detail because it's, it's not a Mogwai reversal, but this was a Mogwai strategy setup, not a Mogwai reversal, because I can essentially trade two strategies, Mogwai strategy, Mogwai reversal. This is a Mogwai strategy. So basically, to summarize a Mogwai strategy, I'll show you. It basically means, hold on, where's me draw, so I can draw. There, right? So Mogwai strategy is basically 15-minute support and resistance. So if we go to the 15-minute support and 15-minute time frame, we have a 15 minutes. Obviously, if I look at it there is a 15-minute support and resistance level just there, right? As you can see, resistance. And then at this level, if I go down to the 1 minute, you would have, where's my chart's gone? Oh, I've lost it. I don't know where, there we go, there. If I go back down to the 1 minute now, you would actually see, there we go there, you can see my initial trade just there. So we had a Mogwai signal at this level. So basically my target on that one was actually, to be honest with you, somewhere like that there, 1-to-1 out of that trade. So yeah, so essentially what I did was on Saturday and Sunday, I was trading Mogwai and then Mogwai reversal at the same time, which was quite interesting. But you can see a lot of setups there. So yeah, there you go there. I hope you enjoyed that mini series. I say mini series. I hope you enjoyed that financial, non-financial, tax efficient way of trading and the mindset way you should trade, and then some setups that I took on Bitcoin which weren't the best, but somehow I seem to have my best trading day ever. Way! Right, anyway, enjoy that video. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.